Hi there! Welcome to Coding Scrap. I'm Anaya and I was just wondering if you want to make this game. It's called a Pong Game and you can even get scores in it. So if you really want to make it, watch this video till the end. So your step number 1 should be opening the Scratch window and then adding a neon tunnel backdrop. Then let's choose a sprite. So let's go in the events category and drag out when green flag clicked. Now let's go in the motion category and take point in direction block. Now when you click on it, you will see a clock. You can even move the arrow of the clock. I'm gonna make it 45. 45 is like top right. Now we have to go to the control section and take the forever loop. Inside the loop, let's take move 15 steps. So instead of moving just 10 steps, we have to do it 15. Then from the same category, let's take if on edge bounce. Now what will happen in it? So when we will click our green flag, then the ball will point in the direction 45. And then it has to forever move 15 steps. And then if by moving 15 steps, if it gets on the edge of our stage, then it will bounce back on in the middle or anywhere in the stage. So now if I would not take this block, then it would just keep moving 15 steps and then suddenly it will disappear from the stage. That's why this block is really important. And if you use these blocks, it will help the ball to bounce around. Now let's add a new sprite. Click on choose a sprite and you will come in the sprites library. We have to take a paddle. So let's type here paddle. Here we go. And now let's add some script to it also. So let's take when green flag clicked from the events category and go to the control category and take the forever loop. Now what is it going to do forever? It is going to set its X to mouse X. So for that, take set X to and go in the sensing category and take mouse X. Just drag and drop. There we go. Now what is the use of this? This will help us move the paddle. Now let's add some code to bounce the ball off the paddle. So let's go in the ball and take when green flag clicked, then it's forever going to do that. What is it going to do? If this block, if blah 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 happens, then so we are going to put it in the forever loop. Now what's the use of it? So if it will be like for saying that if something like this happens, then what will happen? So I'm taking it in the forever loop because whenever, anytime, whenever it happens, then this will happen. Okay, so what will happen then? What will happen? So if our ball is touching the paddle, let's click the drop down arrow and take paddle. Then it has to turn 180 degrees to the right and move 15 steps. So let's take turn 180. Okay, so it has to turn 180 degrees to the right and move 15 steps forever whenever it touches the paddle there. And then it has to wait for let's say 0.5 seconds. Put that in the loop as well. There we go. Now adding this code will help the ball bounce off the paddle. Next we have to go in the variable section and let's make a variable of our own. Let's name it score so that we can make a score for all sprites. Click on OK. So let's choose score. So let's choose score from the menu. Insert it below if touching paddle, then that if a ball is touching the paddle, then the score will be changed by 1. Now let's reset the score. So let's take when green flash click, then set score to 0. Now we have to add a new sprite. Let's click on choose a sprite and come to the sprite library. And that sprite is going to be a line, this red line. And now move it to the bottommost. Now how should I tell my ball sprite that if you touch this red line, then the game is going to be over, everything is going to stop. So for that, here I'm going to take events section. When green flag clicked, then forever. From the same, let's take if this happens, then what will happen? And for that, we have a block in the control section saying stop all. And that's it. Our code, everything of the ball paddle line is done. Now you could add things of your own imagination, like you can make a boing sound happen when it touches the paddle or anything using your imagination. The main part has been done. So now you could add some simple steps. Let's see how the game goes. Don't think that it's going slowly because in my laptop it goes slowly because 2 apps are running at the same time, but in yours it will work faster. So let's see. Oh, it's working faster. I don't know how. In the starting, when I showed you, it was like slow. Okay, so see, I'm scoring, and now, okay, now the ball touched the red line. That's why the whole game stopped. It was so fun, right? I even got 4 scores. It's showing over here. So make this game, and it's really fun. I encourage you to make this game. It's so fun. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and family. Bye.